Hi friends, till now we have discussed many things about the semiconductor devices. So by that we have learned the basics, properties and different kinds of semiconductor devices. Now I'll ask you to identify the different circuits around you where we are using semiconductor devices. Now pause this video and write down your answer in the question. Now we'll see the reflection spot on this particular topic. So can you classify these circuits and how they will differ from each other? Now I request you to pause the video and write down the answer for these two questions in your question. Okay, the answer for the reflection spot is the different circuits around us, okay, where we are using semiconductor devices are classified as analog circuits and digital circuits. Okay, and how you are going to identify these things? So mainly the analog circuits like amplifiers, rectifiers and the oscillators, they'll possess analog output. And regarding the digital circuits, they'll possess the digital output. Okay, I can give the examples like different logic gates and some of the digital circuits. Okay, thank you.